Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here I solve LeetCode problems and prepare to the code interview. Today is another easy level problem, number 242, valid anagram. Given two strings s and t, given return true if it is an anagram of s and false otherwise. An anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase, typically using all the original letters exactly once. So let's do it. How we can solve it? Basically, we need to count each letters in both words and compare the counts. It has to be the exact numbers. So we can use it, and to count numbers of each words, the best and fastest way is to use dictionary with keys with characters as keys, and the values will be the number of occurrence. So what I can do, I'm going to create a dictionary and fill it from the letters of first string, and after it I'm going to go through second string and find difference between its letters and letters of first string. Finally, we need to have a dictionary with only zeros. So let's do it. First of all, let's create some dictionary chars. I'm going to use function default dict with argument integer int, because it return this kind of dict return 0 in case I don't have some key. So next I'm going through string s and increment each character. And after it, I'm going to through second string t, and in this case decrement each character. And finally, need to check if all values in chars are 0. We can do it use function all. This function return true if all values in some collections are also true. So let's check each value and compare it with 0. So notcha, let's call it count equals 0 for count in chars. We can use chars because chars return keys in a loop. To get values, we need to call method values, and in this loop we check if each value in the dictionary chars equals to 0, and the function all return true if all values are 0. So that's it. Let's check tests. Some problem. Yeah, function method values. Test pass, submitted. Yes, it worked. In the pretty efficient. This algorithm has time complexity of n because it depends on the length of strings s and t, and we have two loops. And it has constant memory complexity because it uses extra variable chars. It is a dictionary. The max length is 26. So it's doesn't depend on length of s and t. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.